I have a question on 3.5, number 303.
Oh yeah, the one with the envelopes.
Yeah, I still don't understand that.
All right. So whenever they give you these problems with the envelopes, each envelope contains the same amount of some unknown thing.
Yeah, I can sure figure out.
Oh, yeah.
Those are
So where they? Oh, I see. Because they're getting ready for that. So the picture looks like this. It's got two envelopes,
because this
and then it's got
how many
303,
Yeah, 303.
2, 4, 6, 8. So these kind of problems say that these two envelopes weigh the same as those 8 coins, and there's some unknown amount of coins in those two things. So they each have how many coins in them? X. I don't know how many. So these are each X amount of coins. We don't know what they are. So the envelopes are like X, because I don't know how many are in each. Are you guys with me? So I call it, anytime in algebra there's something I don't know, I could just call it X, so then I can work with it. I like it. So this would be how many X's on this side? 2 X's equals 8. Now how do you solve that?
divide both by 2?
Divide by 2. Undo what's being done. What did somebody do to the poor X? They doubled the damn thing. So I'm going to cut it in half. So I undo what was done. I'm always trying to get X by itself.
Oh,
Yeah. And you can kind of see it visually. You put those 4 there, and you put those 4 there, it works. So X is 4. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the answer key. Sounds like at least a few of you guys have done that practice. Now, this is our first practice test, so now be careful. First, don't do any problem in the practice test more than like twice. Because then you start to know that problem, not how to do that kind of problem. Am I going to give you these same problems on the test? Hell no. I'm going to make sure that nobody gets exactly any of these same problems on the test. You guys with me? So don't do any problem on here more than like twice or 3 times at the very, very most, because then you just start to know how to do that specific problem, not a different problem like it. Right? Secondly, when I give you that answer key, don't do this. Don't do this. Yep. Yeah, I would have done that. Yeah. Because then you build up all this false confidence. I'm not going to just say, do you agree or not? That's not how the test is going to be. Did you do it yet? Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Oh, wow, you got 100. No. So if you're not going to do the practice test at all, don't even look at this. You don't have to do the practice test. It's totally your thing, or not. Don't turn it in. I got enough stuff to carry around. Okay. Let me give you this answer key. Yes, sir. Okay, just a second.
yeah, I know.
Oh, this is yours. You don't want it, you can make a paper airplane out of it. You can make a hat.
I can stay away from it.
I'm alright.
See, like, here's my, I would feel like a little paragraph there. Here's my, something I forgot to do is all prime factorization, but like I'll do 5 times.
Oh, yeah.
Put into the next one. I got besides going trying to go through multiplication.
You can eliminate a lot of things. You wouldn't try 3 or
No, of
6 or
course.
9.
Yeah, no,
You wouldn't
so
try
right off
2
the bat. That's
or
right.
any even number.
That's right. And then I can soon figure out what would go into it. You know, like I can eliminate a bunch, and then I just kind of get stuck, I suppose.
So then you just start trying like
How far up do I go?
11, 13, 15.
So I just keep going up.
So if you try to do 91 divided by 13,
Right.
and you see the answer. So if 91 divided by 13 is whatever, let's pretend like
I
it's.
just go off the right number and I just add it up. So
Well, it actually goes into 91 exactly. So
13 does?
91 divided by 11 is like 8 point something.
Yeah.
Right? 91 divided by 13 is 7.
Oh, see,
Believe it or not. Yeah.
I must be. Yeah.
But you see why I'm using 11, 13? Because it can't be even. Doesn't end in an even number.
Yeah, so it has
It's
to
not
be
an even
odd.
number.
It has to be.
It has to be odd, and it can't. It's not going to be any of the 9, 5, 6. It's none of those. So I just started using 11, 13. Yeah.
Cool. I see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Would this be wrong then, how I wrote it down?
Yes.
It would be?
Yes. If I have 12 apples, and you have 5 less than I do, you do not have negative 7 apples. That's freaky. You've got a little apple black hole going on. It's a black hole, but with a sense of apple. Oh, wow! No, it's no good. So if I have 12 apples and you have 5 less apples than I do, you have 12 minus 5. That less than is evil English grammar. Evil English grammar. So it would have to be, so if I have 5 less than 12, that's 12 minus 5. 5 less than 3 times the number is 3n minus 5. You got to turn that bad boy around. Or else it comes out the negative of what you wanted. 7. Oh, you're fine. We're just going to push it small enough that
Because I didn't do those two.
Oh, yeah, so this is, so what I'm really asking for is, you know, so put, to fill in the blank with one of these symbols. So if I write like this, I'll be okay with it. 8 is bigger than 4.
Oh.
Negative 4 is not bigger than negative 3 though. So negative 3 is bigger than negative 4 because it's more that way on the number line. If it's to the right on the number line, it's bigger. If it's to the left, it's smaller. So the bigger negative it gets, the smaller it is. The worse that would be in terms of money. I'd rather owe somebody $3 than it's supposed to be bigger. Yes, because it's why is 8 bigger than 7? Because it's that way. It's on that side of 7. So look here. Here's negative 4. Here's negative 3. Negative 3 is on that side. So negative 3 is bigger. Bigger because it's on that side. 8 is bigger because it's on that side. It's on that side, so it's going to be bigger. Oh, great. You still want Oh, 0 divided by unit. If I have nothing, and you divide it amongst people, everybody gets 0. 0 divided by anything. Anything divided by 0 is undefined.
I think that's 5 less than. So, 5 less than. Yeah.
Oh, you checking the... What's the negative? So the weird thing is a plus sign is a positive sign. A negative minus sign is a negative sign. They're really odd. So the negative sign is a negative sign is a positive.
Because it's different. Less than is and 4 times 7 minus
4. What's the variable part of this one? Can you point out the variable? Yeah, what's the variable? Very good. What's the letter mark? Hey, and we know that's a variable. It's not going to let A be anything it wants. You can vary it. So it's only variable. So the purely number part, that's the coefficient. So the coefficient of this is 8. What's the coefficient of this?
Would you rather go 3 dollars?
6.